see.
I'm sorry, Duck.
Thanks anyway, Sheep. I'm gonna have these hiccups forever.
Oh, what a hot day. Oh, gotta keep cool. Gotta keep cool. Duck! Was that a hiccup I heard?
Oh, yes, Frog. I've got the hiccups.
But you never, ever, ever get the hiccups.
I know, but now I do, and I can't get rid of them no matter what I do.
Well, I happen to be something of a hiccup expert, you know.
You are?
Yes, the best cure for hiccups is very simple. All you need to do is drink a glass of water slowly.
That's it?
That's it.
But I don't have a glass. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have these hiccups forever.
No problem, Duck. We'll just build one. We need the letters G and L for the G sound, and 2 S's at the end for the S sound. And for the middle...
Oh, I know. I know what letter we need for the A sound in the middle. The letter A.
That's right, Duck. It's time to... build a word. It's time to build a word. Let's build it. Let's build it now.
G-L-A-S-S.
Glass!
Yeah, we just built a word. We built it. We built it. Now remember, just drink slowly.
Thanks, dog. Okay.
That's it. Slowly, Duck. Drink the water slowly.
Oh.
Well, did it work?
I do believe it worked. My hiccups are gone. My hiccups are gone. My hiccups are gone. Oh, thank you, Frog.
My pleasure.
And you too, dog.
So, Duck just needed to slowly drink a glass of water, and his hiccups were gone.
And I'm never, ever, never gonna get him again.
The end.